KW variant 3 coilovers. We can go ahead and comes with a tool kit. Let's see if I can open this one-handed. It's got a wrench, a rebound, and a little thing. I have no idea what all this shit does, but the reason I went with this is I watched one video on YouTube. This guy, he did like a 10-year review on these coilovers, and that pretty much sold me. 10 years and still worked, and I don't even plan on driving this thing every day, so these things are nice, but there's plenty of videos on these, but I went with these just because of that one video, and they're super nice. So there's those. We'll see how much of this stuff I actually put on myself, how much I trust myself. Get out, cat. Because I'll show you in another video. I've got some issues with the car, and I'm going to need some dang help with it. Oh, I'll just set that aside. Let's put you back on the... This one. So, I guess while I'm unboxing this, since I did the motor swap, issues I've been having, clutch issues, when the pedal's all the way to the floor, and it's in first gear, it shouldn't move, right? But no, it kicks, it engages, so having some sort of clutch issue. They said I took it to a transmission shop, and they said I bled the slave cylinder well enough. It looked like, I don't think they really looked very hard, because they were like, it sounds like you got air in the line, but then they said that no, that's probably not the issue, so it's either clutch or my slave cylinder. But the slave cylinder is the same one from the old motor, and it should work just fine. So I'm guessing I just didn't bleed it well enough. So if you guys got any thoughts on what I should do there, if I need to just take it to a shop and have them vacuum bleed it, and try that first, or what? But show you down here. These are these parts. And you've seen this before. ASR subframe brace, black, and the ASR sway bar. Nice. My theme is black and gold so far. That's what I'm kind of leaning towards. There's that one. And then the other issue I guess I'm having besides the clutch issue is oil leak. So I changed out the oil pan gasket, still leaking, and then I put my fingers underneath the crank pulley. There's some oil coming from that, so I think when I change that timing belt, the seal changed to the crank seal, and I think it's leaking from there. So I will probably take it to a shop have them fix that because I don't know what I did wrong. Alright. Let's take you off here again. Hard race. Stickers. Ball joints. OEM style. Nothing special. They were pretty cheap. But I wanted something besides OEM. I kind of want to do everything aftermarket, but that might be a bad idea too. I don't know. What else we got? What do we got in here? These are... Oh, these are the PCI trailing arm bushings. There's a couple videos of those I've seen. They look really nice. And these are all spherical. I've heard people say that spherical is going to give me a super rough ride, but I'll try it, see what happens. If not, I can always change them out. These are PCI. Oh, I forgot what these were called. I can't remember the name of them. They are super sweet. So nice. Stickers. Come on. Oh, lower compliance bushing. And they give you instructions on how to do it. I might do all this stuff myself. I don't think it's too hard. It's all pretty self-explanatory, I believe. Unbolt and rebolt those boxes. Let's go with this one. I'm trying to do this fast so the video's not a freaking hour long. Rear camber. Spherical as well. Sweet. Next one. Tie rods. Spherical as well. If you can't get the picture here, I'm mostly all PCI. Let's see if I can open this guy without cutting myself. Super fun to me. I've never done anything like this before, car builds or anything, so this is awesome. These are the rear lower control arms. In my next video, when I put them together, I'll show you all of them out in their full glory. What's this? Probably the spherical bushings. Sorry. Yep, spherical bushings for those. And next. I'm pretty excited to see how well this thing handles after all this stuff. So the reason I'm doing all the suspension first is when I did the motor swap, every little bump I hit, I'm bouncing like I'm riding a horse, and it scares the shit out of me. So these are front lower control arms. Is this the front or the rear? Oh, those are rear, these are fronts. and the bushings to go with it. I'm gonna get all this stuff mixed up. And then last box in this one. We have got camber arms. Let's see what these bad boys look like. Spherical. Yeah, those are gonna be cool. Yep, there's that box. Put that in there. And then last but not least, packing peanuts everywhere. Competition clutch. So I'm gonna just gonna redo everything since I'm having the clutch issues. Might as well upgrade it. I should have did it when the motor was out. Lightweight steel flywheel. I got all these from JHP USA.com. They have a lot of JDM parts and nice parts. Last but not least, the clutch. This is the stage 4 because I was told to go with that one since I might boost it. If you guys think otherwise, go ahead and let me know in the comments what I should have went with. Ceramic. I have no idea what this shit is. I'm definitely not putting this on myself. Don't know how all of it works. I watched a couple videos, but it's too much for me. So that is the first haul on the Black Friday buys. Stay tuned for the next one. And also, if you guys have stuck around this whole time, I am planning on doing a giveaway. It's probably going to be when I hit, let's go 500 subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share. And when I hit 500 subscribers, we'll talk about a giveaway and what all we should do for that and how we're going to do it. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. Sorry I'm still learning all this video stuff, but have a good day. Later.